Welcome to our YouTube channel, your go-to channel for everything you need to know about responsible AI. Imagine a world where daily commutes are effortless. Self-driving cars navigate bustling city streets with precision. Drones deliver packages to our doorsteps with speed and efficiency. This isn't science fiction, it's the rapidly approaching reality of autonomous systems. These technologies promise to revolutionize transportation, logistics, and countless other aspects of our lives. But as we embrace this autonomous future, we must also confront the complex ethical challenges that arise. Safety, fairness, privacy, accountability, and transparency are paramount concerns that demand careful consideration. The integration of these systems into our society raises profound questions about how we design, regulate, and interact with these powerful tools. Self-driving cars present a unique set of ethical dilemmas. The trolley problem, a classic thought experiment, highlights the difficulty of programming moral decision-making into autonomous vehicles. How should a car decide in a situation where it must choose between harming one person or several? This is a complex question with no easy answers. The development of ethical algorithms for self-driving cars requires careful consideration of various moral frameworks. Different cultures and societies may have different perspectives on the value of human life and the acceptable trade-offs in such situations. Bias in algorithms is another significant concern. If the data used to train self-driving car algorithms reflects existing societal biases, the cars may perpetuate or even exacerbate those biases. For example, if pedestrian detection systems are less accurate for people with darker skin tones, this could lead to disproportionate harm. Ensuring fairness and equity in the development and deployment of self-driving cars is crucial. This requires careful attention to data collection, algorithm design, and ongoing monitoring for bias. Autonomous drones raise a host of ethical concerns, particularly in the military context. The use of drones for targeted killings raises questions about due process, proportionality, and the potential for civilian casualties. The increasing autonomy of these weapon systems necessitates careful consideration of the ethical implications of delegating life-or-death decisions to machines. International regulations and ethical guidelines are needed to govern the development and deployment of autonomous weapon systems. Surveillance drones raise concerns about privacy and civil liberties. Drones equipped with cameras and other sensors can collect vast amounts of data about individuals and their activities. This data could be used for a variety of purposes, including law enforcement, marketing, and even political manipulation. Protecting privacy in the age of drone surveillance is a critical challenge. Beyond cars and drones, exploring ethical dimensions in other autonomous systems. Healthcare robots offer the potential to improve patient care and assist with surgery, but they also raise ethical concerns. Questions about patient autonomy, data security, and the potential for bias in algorithms need to be addressed. As robots become increasingly involved in healthcare, it is crucial to ensure that they are used in a way that prioritizes patient well-being and respects ethical principles. Clear guidelines and regulations are needed to govern the use of robots in healthcare settings. AI-powered decision-making systems are being used in a variety of contexts, including hiring, loan applications, and even criminal justice. Ensuring fairness and non-discrimination in these systems is essential. Building responsible AI for a better future. Transparency and explainability are crucial for building trust in AI systems. Users should be able to understand how AI systems make decisions and what factors influence those decisions. This requires developing explainable AI or XAI techniques that can provide insights into the inner workings of complex algorithms. Transparency is essential for accountability and allows for meaningful scrutiny of AI systems. Fairness and non-discrimination are fundamental principles for responsible AI development. AI systems should be designed and deployed in a way that ensures equitable outcomes for all individuals. Collaboration and dialogue for ethical AI development. Ongoing dialogue and collaboration among policymakers, researchers, industry representatives, and the public are essential for navigating the complex ethical landscape of AI. Bringing diverse perspectives to the table can help to ensure that AI systems are developed and deployed in a way that benefits society as a whole. Open forums, workshops, and conferences can provide platforms for meaningful dialogue and collaboration. Education and awareness about the ethical implications of AI are crucial for empowering individuals to engage in informed discussions about this transformative technology. educational programs, public awareness campaigns, and accessible resources can help to demystify AI and promote greater understanding of its potential benefits and risks. Informed citizens are better equipped to participate in shaping the future of AI. Thank you for watching. Join us for engaging topics, clear and concise explainers, and tutorials that will help you navigate the complexities of AI responsibly. We also believe in the power of community. Your questions, comments, and feedback are what make this journey exciting, so don't hesitate to join the conversation and share your thoughts with us. Are you ready to embark on this journey towards a more ethical and responsible AI future? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Together, let's shape the future of AI responsibly.